What's up, everybody? It's your boy back here in Richmond, Virginia, just for you. I do it for you guys. Because I did that for you, do me something right quick before we get this video started. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button. Share it so we can get our numbers up here. But today we are here getting ready to go to a place called Southern Kitchen. Right here. We got reservations. Apparently it's reservations only. Menu looked pretty good. And we're going to check it out for you guys. So, never been here, so come along. All right, we are in here, Southern Kitchen, right here in the Harlem of the South District here. Actually, if you guys have been following our channel, we've got the Hippodrome over there, the Speakeasy Grill. We went there for brunch. We'll link that one down below as well. It's literally right across the street, so that one's pretty cool. Okay, so it's a pretty simple menu, pretty good looking menu though. They got starters, salads, sandwiches, and entrees. Their starters start at $8 for the Southern rolls. And then they go up to $16 for either the buffalo shrimp or the mouth of the South shrimp. They also have catfish by, fried oysters, 20 bucks. That's the most expensive one there. They got fried okra, some of their salads. They've got $12 for whole, $12 for half, $14 for whole. They got apple pecan, market salad, and Caesar salads. Sandwiches, got your typical, your po' boys, your burgers, salmon cakes. Those range from $16 to $19. And all sandwiches served with homemade fries. And you can substitute it for an additional $1. Entrees served with 2 sides, and your sides are your old typical country. Got some collard greens, some fried cabbage, black-eyed peas, all kind of stuff. Let's see, we got some catfish, we got some meatloaf. They got chicken and waffles. Ooh, they got chicken and waffles for dinner. Chicken and waffles for dinner. Let's see. I might. It says, actually, this one, the chicken and waffle says it's served without the 2 sides, though. So maybe I'll get something else, and I'll try something. Let's see here. Oh, they also have their drink menu here. Can't forget their drink menu. Right there. Wines, white wine, champagne, beer, and some cocktails. Let's see, they got an old-fashioned. They have a Richmond old-fashioned. They got a kitchen sink. That sounds very interesting there. A whole bunch of stuff there. Painkiller, pineapple upside down. Ooh, I think I might have to get, I'm guessing this is probably like a martini. I think I'm going to get that. I usually get the old fashioned, you guys know, but I love pineapple upside down cakes, and I think I'm going to get that this time. I think I might do the mouth of the South shrimp. I might try that one. And then for entree, I am tempted to get that chicken and waffles, but I'm going to save that for breakfast. I think we have reservations at another place tomorrow that also has chicken and waffles, so we're going to try that. We're going to see if we can make Richmond the undefeated in chicken and waffles. Because so far, they have had the best chicken and waffles here that I've had anywhere. I think I'm going to do the country fried chicken with the mac and cheese and fries. And then I ordered a drink, she ordered a drink, and we're going to check back when they get here, so we'll see you in a second. All right, I got my pineapple upside down here. A little fancy looking drink there. I love me some pineapple upside down. Actually, my favorite dessert, even though I never really get dessert when we go anywhere, it is my favorite dessert. I rarely eat it though. The wife is a baker, and she promised to bake it for me when we got a new kitchen, and we got a new kitchen. And I don't think she's ever made it. Pretty good. Yeah, God, it's not too sweet either. And then this is the wife's Blanc de Blanc. It was actually up to here, but she drank it too fast. Couldn't get it to you.
It's called a tasting, and it's classy.
And now, check this out. We did not know this place did this. We ordered an appetizer. Look at that.
They're beautiful.
Can you see it? Look at this. This is complimentary. Cornbread muffins. Look at that butter. All that butter, baby. Oh, you can't even really see it from that side. Hold on, let me turn it right there. Look at all that butter glistening. Glistening in it. I think it's gonna be good. Y'all know I love my cornbread. Of course, I thought you took a picture of this already. Of course, my standard for cornbread is from the late and great John Gonzalez from a chef's kitchen. Best cornbread I've ever had in my life. Sadly, he passed away last year. Look at that down. Nice and fluffy. And it's complimentary. Like, that's crazy. Obviously, some people do them. They give you like little corn muffins, like maybe that big. But that's a whole ass, like, that's a whole ass cupcake. There is the shrimp there. There comes a little side of these. Got some sweet chili sauce here. Little butterfly. Dunkaroo there. Take a bite. That's good. So far, so good. Nice big one. So look at that one. All right, here we have the Richmond Old Fashioned. Can't remember exactly what's in it. Maybe I'll put like right here a little snippet of the menu right here, so you can check out what exactly it is. So that way you can hit it. But a little different, a little cloudy. Smells. I know it does have Maker's Mark in it. So there is that. That's a boozy, but there's alcohol in this boy. I'll tell you what. Can't nobody in the world say there ain't no alcohol in my drink. Because I'll tell you what. Okay. The mains have arrived, and let me tell you what. The portions, pretty ridiculous. Look at this. So this is the plate top. This is the Southern Fried Chicken. Right here. Got the fries. Got the chicken. Got the mac and cheese. And we got the bowl of gravy. That's a lot of fucking gravy. Holy shit. So there we go there. And then the wife's got the po' boy. And as soon as I show you this, she's gonna take a picture for the Instagram. So there's the po' boy. And there's the sauce for the po' boy right there, in the little corner there. All right. And I'm sure she's gonna take a picture for the Instagram now, so I'm not allowed to touch it. If you want to check out some of those pictures on our Instagram, that will be linked down below, as well as our Facebook page. So go ahead and give those two a like and a follow, and check out some of our older stuff, some of our other adventures, you know, all around Vegas and things like that. We got all kind of stuff there. So it's not normally updated with the videos, so you won't see these pictures on there when this is live. You might see them down the line some. So yeah, check that out. Check out the Facebook as well. And if you haven't yet, like I said in the beginning of the video, go ahead and like, subscribe for us. So yeah, we can hit that goal of 1,000 subscribers. There's the chicken there. Alright, it's a little hot. I'm gonna give it a second and try it again. The fries, you can tell they're hand cut. Is it? Or not. Alright, let's try this mac and cheese here. This mac and cheese right here. Can you see it? Oh, that's hot. That is hot. That ramekin is hot. That ramekin is hot. Oh yeah, that mac and cheese definitely sort of brings me back to like when I was younger. No. Because it is that old, like sort of, it's baked, but like there is different types of baked mac and cheese, but this is a specific type. Like it tastes like some old school type mac. Some hand cut fries. All right, we're about finished up here. We're gonna come back once we get the bill, let you know how much everything costs. Of course, where to find them at, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. We'll be back in a minute. All right, so Southern Kitchen, Richmond, Virginia, 541 North 2nd Street. Our server was Corey. He was great. So we got one Mouth of the South shrimp. We got an unsweet tea, pineapple side down, cocktail, the country chicken, the Richmond Old Fashioned, shrimp po' boy, and a Blanc de Blanc Brut. Total came out to, automatic gratuity is added as well. So it came out to be $125.64. So there we go. Check them out. We will link them down below, of course. And that's pretty much it for this video. So, as always, tripping ain't easy. The show is fun.